Alright guys, welcome back. What's up, lazy ass Charles? What you doing, fool? Little panther. Buddy Kyle is taking care of the programming on the taxi. He's giving me a hand with it. He remote access and is helping me with a startup tune for the car. Finally gonna get to fire up the taxi on some E. About to pump some fuel right now. Got the good stuff. Sorry if it's a little dark. Seems like we're not getting no spark to the car. Car is cranking, but no spark. So he's changing up a few things right now. He just text me and see what happens. Fuel? Yeah, leave the water pump on, turn on the fuel, and fire up the car. Got it started. You guys heard it. That was the first time starting with the new turbo, new combo. But for now, we're checking out. Super late. Pretty sure my neighbors are pissed, especially them over there. It's probably about like 12 something at night. Not even sure. But super excited. Got the car fired up for the first time. Thing sounds pretty rowdy. Can't wait till it's finally tuned and ready to go. But tomorrow, like I said, we'll continue this video tomorrow morning. Top of the morning, everyone. So last night we got the taxi fired up. Gonna continue working on it. Got a few little things. Had a little hiccup. Yeah, I installed the new fuel pump and didn't realize the thing was installed backwards. My mistake. Wasn't paying attention. But it was a quick fix. Just had to flip the fuel pump around and switch filters around, and fired right up. Shout out to Kyle. Thank you for getting the taxi started. But I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I got this tank holding up the fuel pump. So what I didn't realize is I had this flipped around. This little Allen right here lets you flip this around. This could either be facing that way or this way could be facing that way, which was, I had the inlet on this side. Obviously it's not going to suck fuel because this is the side that feeds into the fuel rails, into the fuel regulator, and this is the side that sucks from the tank, the fuel. And I got a few other things I got to clean up on the car. Had RPM magazine reach out to me the other day on Facebook, or not Facebook, Instagram, and asked me if I was available to do a shoot, and I said yeah. A guy named Eddie hit me up. He used to work at the track, and he used to be a tech and the track photography guy, and he reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I would like to do a photo shoot, and I said yeah. So I'm gonna get the car ready today, and photo shoots tomorrow morning, probably sunrise, so it means we'll have an early start tomorrow as well. So we got a few things to do and try to beat the sun. This Vegas heat does not play. Got my boy Rogel right here. Came through to detail the taxi. Nice little setup he got. Always uses nothing but fresh micros every time he washes your car. It's a nice setup. Nothing but the best products, McGuire's. Got the taxi all wrapped up. Nice and clean. Got the taxi back in the garage next to its roommate. I'm gonna have to push it back a little bit more. Then Coyote engine and parachute are hidden. I'm gonna have to remove the parachute or move the Coyote engine forward. One of the two, whatever's easier. Figure it out right now. But she's back in the garage. Top of the morning, it's probably about 4 a.m. About to get this car loaded up. And it's super early. Alright, let's get started. I gotta wake up my buddy Hector. He's gonna give me a hand today. See you guys in a few. Alright, we just got to the spot. I hear my boy Hector. Hector, say what's up. Here with Eddie. Eddie, so what's up? Alright, we're wrapped up with the photo shoot. Got the car all loaded up. Time to go home and get some rest. Been pretty tired these past couple days, so peace. See you guys on the next video.